In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. A sales receipt is perfect when a customer pays you at the time of sale, no invoice needed. Think point-of-sale transactions, walk-in purchases, or same-day services. Recording it correctly keeps your income, taxes, and bank balances accurate, so let's walk through it from start to finish. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to the correct company. Once your dashboard loads, we'll start the receipt right from the main menu. Look for the Create option at the top of the page. Depending on your view, it may appear as a new button or a plus icon. Click it to open the list of transaction types. From that menu, choose Sales Receipt. This form is designed for immediate payments and is different from an invoice which expects payment later. The sales receipt combines the sale and payment in one step. Now fill in the details. Start by selecting the customer. This helps you keep a record of who purchased what. If you don't see the customer in the list, you can add them on the spot. Next, set the receipt date. Then choose the payment method such as cash, credit card, or check. If you have a reference number, like a check number or terminal ID, enter it to make reconciliation easier later. Pay close attention to the deposit to field. If you're collecting several payments and plan to group them into one bank deposit, choose Undeposited Funds. If the payment is already in the bank as a single transaction, select the specific bank account instead. Getting this right helps your bank feed and reconciliations line up perfectly. Move down to the product or service details. Select the item sold, adjust quantities, and confirm rates. Using products and services ensures sales go to the right income accounts, and if you track inventory, keep stock levels accurate. If the sale is taxable, make sure the correct sales tax is applied. QuickBooks will calculate it for you, but always double-check the tax agency and rate. You can add a memo for internal notes, include a customer message that appears on the receipt, and attach supporting documents like a signed work order or photo. If you want to email the receipt to the customer, confirm their email is correct. When everything looks good, click Save. You can use Save and Close to wrap up or Save and New if you're entering another receipt right away. That's it. QuickBooks records the income and the payment in one action. To recap, open QuickBooks, click Create, choose Sales Receipt, fill in the customer, payment, and line items, verify tax and deposit to the right account, then save. This simple workflow keeps your books clean and your records complete.